On Tuesday, the Nigerian Senate issued a plea to the federal government to declare a state of emergency in the response to the escalating crisis of drugs and narcotic abuse within Nigeria. Furthermore, the Red Chamber also instructed the National Agency for Administration Control, Drugs and Narcotics Committee to collaborate with relevant federal agencies in convening a national summit addressing the issue of drugs and narcotics abuse in the nation. Reacting to the developments, a pharmacist, Mrs. Lillian Ibinoba, said it is a laudable development that is long overdue, owing to the fact that most Nigerian youths are involved in drug and substance abuse that might lead to serious mental health problems, including depression, conduct problems, personality disorder, suicidal thoughts, amongst others. Pharmacist Ibinoba called on the government at all levels to come up with more policies to guide the dispensing of medications over the counter to preserve youths from drug abuse, while urging youths to be useful to themselves and the society at large.
They abuse pain relief drugs, they abuse alcohol and other psychoactive drugs. We have people that have no business handling drugs, selling drugs, dispensing drugs, administering drugs. And calling for a state of emergency is, in fact, it cannot be overemphasized. And it's not just to call for it, but to set actionable steps, actionable plan in place. Take example from those who have ended up in a quagmire where they did not desire, where they did not expect, because they were involved in drug abuse. Why not learn from them and make sure you avoid it?
Some residents who spoke with BTV News crew commended the Senate over the developments, saying that the illegal activities of drug consumers and peddlers had become a source of worry to the society. The respondents frowned at the rates Nigerian youths engage in drugs, saying that such activity would cause serious health issues and frustrate their future.
It's a welcome development anyway, because many people are suffering from drug abuse. So many souls are condemned because of drugs.
It is necessary now to do that, as a matter of fact. But the generations of nowadays, what we know to be drugs then is not even more than a billion five or other soft drugs they used to do. But now they go on weed, they call them loud, Arizona, Mali Kush, Tramadol, a lot of things they take now. I believe if they last up to 50 years, I think they should give thanks to their God.
Who they take and not because of they don't get job, that make that they take drug abuse.
Other residents said that the significance of the Nigerian youth to the country's future cannot be overemphasized. They called on the federal government to create more jobs and empower the youths to keep their minds off illegal activities, adding that when the youths are adversely affected, it jeopardizes the nation's prospects.
It's just like everybody is frustrated in the country, the way things are going. So they should try and know what to do that will benefit the masses. Try and create employment for unemployment youth. The unemployment is much. Is the reason why many boys are into drugs.
There should be more job employment. Yes, give them payable jobs, no job that, like you see some people, most of the jobs in this Nigeria say mostly agberus. That's the job government gives to their youth. Agberu job, where they go about collecting money from drivers.
The respondents unanimously said the consequences of drug abuse will continue to endanger national development, public safety, and family system if urgent action is not taken to strengthen existing policy, legal, and institutional frameworks to face the challenges with all sense of responsibilities. Gloria Afajagbe, reporting for BTV News.